Okay, here's my beef stew. I cut up 4 or 5 potatoes into small pieces and put them in the crock pot. I do the same with the carrots. I don't peel any of the vegetables. I just give them a good scrub and cut them up. Mix them all up pretty well. I've got an onion that I chop up small and mix that in as well. I'll peel that all right. And the meat. Where's up? Where's the bag? The meat's already diced up at round about a kilo, give or take, of gravy beef. That one is 620 grams. I tip it into an empty bread bag. It's already chopped up. The next one is another 500, nearly 600 grams, so it's about 1.25 kilos. Our hardest thing is getting the plastic off the top. The meat's there, then ordinary flour. I put about 3 tablespoons of flour in there. And mix it all up so all the meat gets coated. Takes a while to do it. That's looking all right, so that all in there. And it is pretty well coated. Could be a bit better, just mix it up a bit more. Right, I've got 2 cups of real stock. You can use hot water if you want. Then how much? A tablespoonful of soy sauce, give or take. And the same again of Worcester sauce. One of these, it's a stock pot sensations, it's a flavour thing. You can go on top, it all mixes in. And I also put two teaspoons of beef stock. Sprinkle that all over the place. Makes it nice and rich. Really, that is about it. Plug it in. I've got to put it over here to get it power. And that's it. I'll leave it for about 5 or 6 hours on high on the crock pot. And there's your dinner. Okay, it's been cooking for about 5 hours. There we are, it's all ready to eat. A nice rich gravy. Should be, there's enough stuff in it. Okay. Here you are. Help yourself.